Here we have a new 2026 GMC Sierra 1500. This one comes in the Denali Ultimate trim level. Onyx black is this paint color. And then we do have the Alpine Umber full grain leather interior. At least the seats are full grain leather. The powertrain consists of a 6.2 liter naturally aspirated V8 engine. That's made it to a 10-speed automatic transmission. This one's stickers for almost $88,000. So let's see if it's worth it. As we come around to the front end here, we do get our LED headlamps along with the LED daytime running lights and the LED fog lights. And I will say this truck is beautiful. Love the big, bold Denali Ultimate grille there. The chrome at the bottom, it looks fantastic, especially all blacked out. As we come around to these wheels, these are gonna be 22-inch aluminum. We get power running boards, excuse me. Passive keyless entry on the front doors. Love the interior. The door panel even looks fantastic. Power door lock controls, memory seat functions, one-touch up and down windows for the front, express down for the back, power folding side mirrors with blind spot monitors, and then our rear window lock is there. Bose sound system, bottle holders, four-wheel drive, headlamp controls, tow haul mode, drive modes, all that there. Hood release, and there are the pedals. Power tilt telescoping steering wheel, and then we have our heads-up display controls there. I'm sorry if these freaking leaf blowers are coming through the mic. But here's our power driver seat with 4-way power lumbar support and massage function. Now I want to give a huge thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this truck today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. I want to show some of the essentials here. I can't show the full sticker just because of the lighting and the tint on that back window is pretty dark. But I have the seat up front adjusted for someone of my size, being 6'3" with longer legs, so we're going to see how I can sit behind myself in the back seat. So pretty good space. Very roomy back here. Seat back pockets are on both sides. We have the 3-stage heated outboard seats, USB-C, USB-A charge ports there, the rear AC vents, and then the bottle holders right there in the middle. And there's a view of the front from back here. You get that power sunroof, LED lights throughout. And then I don't know what this material is. It's not Alcantara, but it's almost like a suede feeling material here, and it feels fantastic. And then there are the bottle holders in the middle seat. And then this will hang a whole uniform if you needed to. These are very sturdy hooks. But now I'm going to show you child locks, lock, unlock there. We can fold these seats up. We have a little bit of storage there if you want to run longer objects under the bottom there, and you can still kind of have your passengers back here, you can. And then we do have the in-seat storage, and then we have our lower latch anchors here. But fuel filler. And then as we come around to the back, pretty much full LED tail lamps except the reverse lights. Integrated dual exhaust here, very menacing. I really like the sound of that. There is the tow receiver, spare tire, and then we do have the folding tailgate, so we can make it easier to get in and out of the truck. And then we have the kicker tailgate system, I guess tailgate party system, that is integrated in here. So you can pair your Bluetooth and then play through these speakers. Pretty nice. Apologize, it's hard to do this with one hand. And then we do have 3-prong household plug-in right in there. Now as we come around to the front passenger seat, same adjustability. I believe these are 16-way seats here that include that 4-way power lumbar support and that massage function. And you just activate the massage by hitting that button there. You get a side pocket on both sides of the front, lockable glove compartment there, and then you have a top pocket here if you want to use that. As we come back around to the front, just a quick look in the engine bay. There's that 6.2 liter V8. And I'm just gonna show off the blinkers and get inside where it's less noisy. So tail lights. And they're the front blinkers. You can also turn the lights on for the mirrors as well if you want to do that. Let's hop in here. So nice leather wrap steering wheel, Super Cruise indicators there, Super Cruise sensor down below. There's the horn. Over here to the infotainment system, we do get AM, FM, XM, Bluetooth, wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, Google News. We have the Google Maps and the Google Assistant system there. You can also go through the Play Store if you want additional functionality. Dual zone automatic climate controls you can use either through the screen, or you can use the buttons and knobs down below that include the 3-stage heated cooled seats for the front and then the heated steering wheel for the driver. But I like having the knobs and buttons because you can pretty much do everything you need to from here. And then again, you just have the option to use the screen if you want to do that instead. Now your settings, they include rear seat reminder, buckle to drive, and then you have the Super Cruise lane change. So all of those features are there. And then let's look at the cameras. With this being a Denali Ultimate, you pretty much have every camera view you can imagine. You have a top-down view, front camera, backup camera, curbside cameras, even a bed view camera. Home buttons here, you have a volume knob, you can click to mute. And then your lane keeping system, parking sensors, auto stop toggle. This releases the tailgate, hazards, traction control, and then your hill descent control is there. A little storage here while you have a phone on the charger. You have a USB-A, USB-C duo, bottle holders, trailer brake controller, and then for the shifter, hit the brake, hit this button, pull down for drive, tap for low, then you can pull up for neutral, hit the button, pull all the way up for reverse, press P for park. Wireless charging pad, 3-prong household plug-in, USB-C, USB-A duo once more, and then you have a removable tray. Nice light that shines in there when it's dark out. And then up here, we do have a power sliding rear window. I'll show you that in a minute. The button for that's here. The sunroof buttons are here. Garage door transmitters there. Lights, OnStar. You can do the lights individually. Rear camera mirror off, on. And then here's a one-touch slide for the sunroof. Goes all the way back. And then you just hold the button up here to use that power sliding rear window. And then vanity mirror right there. And then back to the steering wheel, left side stock blinkers, high beams, and then wipers, auto high beam toggles there, wiper fluid button is here. Behind the steering wheel on the left side, we can toggle our track list or radio station presets. Behind on the right side, we can go through volume, up, down. Now, while you're in drive, you can activate the paddle shifters here if you want to use those in that low gear. And then you do have the cruise control here, and you can hold this cancel button to go between adaptive and regular. Set your speed, and then the Super Cruise is there. Gap adjust for the adaptive cruise, and the forward collision alert is right there. Then mute, voice recognition, these arrows, and then this scroll bar go through the middle part of the gauge cluster, so you can see there's a lot that you can fool with. Change your units of measurement, the info page options, what's seen there. And there's a lot you can really fool with. Now up top here, we do have our heads-up display. We can change the info, what's shown there. And then push button start. Finally, here's the key fob with remote start. And next, let's go ahead and take this 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate out on the road for a test drive. So starting the test drive in this Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate, man, I love that exhaust. Oh, that is one of the best parts about this truck. It's just aggressive, loud, fun, but it's not too much in my opinion. But it's a very smooth riding truck for how loud it is. It's very comfortable here. It's what you expect from a full-size pickup still. I'm gonna put it in the sport mode. I'm not gonna floor, but I am gonna give it a little pull just to test it out. Here we go. Yeah, that is nice. Very nice. So there's the Super Cruise there. Lane centering, adaptive cruise doing its thing. Just coasting down the interstate. But I want to give a huge thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this truck today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. But that was a quick test of the Super Cruise. Overall sound acoustics in here are pretty good. It's relatively quiet in here. And I really like that because the exhaust is just loud enough to be nice, aggressive, but it's not like, it doesn't sound like it's been done in an exhaust shop or something like that. It's a nice sound to it. Louder than what you're typically used to, but still a good sound that I don't think will get on your nerves too much. I'm gonna put it back to the normal drive mode now. But it's such a nice truck. And for this money, it should be. Now for the money, I think 88 grand for a pickup truck it's wild. I don't want to say it's a bad deal or, you know, it's a ripoff, but to think about a pickup truck being that amount of money, it's just insane. But when you look at the interior of the Denali Ultimate, the Denali Ultimate is insane from that perspective. So it makes sense. You have heated, cooled seats with massage, power sunroof, this interior, this Alpine Umber, which is just phenomenal. Everything feels premium, looks premium. But then you think about having the new infotainment system, the digital gauge cluster, the Super Cruise. There's so much that's put into this package that, you know, $88,000 sounds about right. It's just such a nice truck. It's such a capable truck as well. When you take into account the tow capacity, you have that 6.2 V8, you have the 10-speed automatic. There's not really anything that's missing from this vehicle. You have a ton of amenities, a ton of features, and yeah, it's nice. It's very nice. I think it's the antithesis of a Cybertruck, if you think about it, where the Cybertruck has all these features, but you control everything through this screen. But the Sierra Denali has about all of those features now. If you think about the outlets and having adaptive cruise, the hands-free driving with the Super Cruise, there are just buttons everywhere. So depending on what you like, that may or may not be a good thing. I feel like the Teslas of the world, where everything's in the screen, half the stuff that's in there you don't even know how to get to, whereas everything that's here you can see. So the heads-up display there, Super Cruise here, memory seats over here, you know, headlamp controls right there, four-wheel drive right there. So it's just different. But they knocked it out of the park with this interior. I don't think, let me rephrase that. Ram and Ford are about neck and neck with GM when it comes to the interiors, because they try to keep up with each other. If you're comparing this to a Cybertruck, this is gonna feel better to you if you're a typical pickup truck enthusiast. If you're into Teslas, then this might not really do it for you. But I will say this, if you're a pickup truck guy, this is what you want. You know, you work to get yourself one of these eventually, and it's a good goal to have. So with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate.